Are you looking for the best home gym systems? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best home gym systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. JX Fitness Home Gym SCM 1148L. JX Fitness Home Gym SCM 1148L is a multifunctional full-body home gym equipment designed by professionals with over 20 years of experience in fitness equipment production. Made with high-quality thick steel, this home gym is built to withstand any weight challenge. With its new design, the leg exercise pedal allows you to target and exercise more leg muscle groups compared to other similar fitness equipment. Additionally, JX Fitness offers professional service, ensuring that any problems encountered during use will be perfectly solved. The easy installation process, with detailed instructions and tutorial videos, allows you to assemble the home gym within half an hour. Get the JX Fitness Home Gym SCM 1148L and enjoy a satisfying and durable workout experience. What we like: professional, high-quality thick steel, new design. Number 2. ARMAC Multifunctional Home Gym. The ARMAC Home Gym is designed to provide a comprehensive workout experience right at home. With its all-in-one functionality, you can perform over 35 exercises, targeting various muscle groups for strength building and fat burning. The machine features an adjustable leg extension and chest fly function, ensuring a stable workout environment. Its commercial-grade durability is reinforced with a sturdy base and non-slip pads, promoting safety during your routines. Lastly, the smooth pulley system allows for easy weight adjustments, accommodating your strength progression while ensuring a quiet, effective workout. What we like: versatile exercise options, stable and durable design, adjustable components for comfort, smooth and quiet operation. Number 3. SunHome Multifunction Home Gym System. The SunHome Home Gym offers a versatile workout experience right at home. Its upgraded design combines a gym station and a Smith machine, making it easier for you to strengthen various muscle groups. With an adjustable 138-pound weight stack, you can easily find the right resistance for your training needs. This all-in-one system supports multiple exercises, from chest presses to leg extensions, allowing you to sculpt your entire body conveniently. Plus, the dual-action press arms let you switch between chest and butterfly workouts effortlessly, enhancing your training routine. What we like: versatile exercise options, adjustable weight stack, heavy-duty steel frame, convenient dual-action arms. Number 4. Sportsroyals Multifunctional Home Gym. The Sportsroyals Home Gym offers a convenient and versatile workout solution for your fitness routine. With detailed installation instructions and a step-by-step video, you can set it up with ease, ensuring a hassle-free start to your home gym experience. This all-in-one gym features over 50 exercises, including chest press and leg extensions, allowing you to target various muscle groups efficiently. Made from commercial-grade steel, it provides a sturdy and stable workout environment, giving you confidence during each exercise. The 154 pounds weight stack adapts to your strength levels, letting you focus on your training without interruptions. What we like: easy installation process, versatile exercise options, sturdy and stable design, adjustable weight stack. Number 5. Marcy 150 pounds Home Gym Station MWM 990. The Marcy 150 pounds Home Gym Station MWM 990 is made with heavy-duty steel tubing and reinforced with guard rods, features a 150-pound selectorized weight stack with a safety lock, dual-action press arms, and a removable curl pad. The equipment is designed for efficient training in the comfort of your home, with an innovative structure that combines arm and leg stations. It's great for achieving a comprehensive total body workout that can help you burn calories and increase lean muscle mass. What we like: heavy-duty steel construction for durability and stability during workouts. Customizable weight stack with safety lock for convenience and safety. Dual action press arms for versatile exercises that target multiple muscle groups. removable curl pad and ergonomically designed seats for comfortable workouts. Innovative structure that combines arm and leg stations for a comprehensive total body workout.